Good morning, class 9 students. Today our topic is properties of acid and bases. Properties of acid and bases are depending upon the substances react with each other. We have already know about all these substances and reaction about the properties of acid and bases in class 8. They have given us same examples with different formulas. For example, acid react with the metals to produce a hydrogen gas. We will do this. Acid give the following three types of the reactions. First, they have to discuss with the alkali metal oxides. They form a salt. Alkali metal. First, we know what are the metals. Metals are the CaO. It is a metal. KOH. It is a metal. These two metals, they have to react to each other. With these metals react with the HNO3, and next they have to react with the H2SO4. Means they are saying alkali metals are react with the acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid. They react to acid and a form. What they are form? They are forming calcium nitrate. Aqueous solution है and also a water. Calcium nitrate and a water. Same potassium hydroxide react with the sulfuric acid and it forms a K2SO4, potassium sulfate and a water. So the reaction with metal oxides, and then they have just only a metals. What are the metals? Two metals. First one is the magnesium and second one is the zinc. They have to react with the any type of the acid. Magnesium react with the HCl, hydrochloric acid, and zinc react with the sulfuric acid, H2SO4. We did their reaction, and the reaction it will become the MgCl2 and hydrogen, MgCl2 plus hydrogen and zinc sulfate with the hydrogen. So acid react with the three type of reactions: metal oxides and also are reactive metals, that are the magnesium and zinc. They are saying that they are the less reactive. Underline this line: less reactive metals with the copper, Ag, Au, Pt. Don't evolve a hydrogen gas with an acid. These two are a very good reactive and these are the less reactive metals. आप इसको स्टार लगा लें because this type of question must be of our objective part. Third, they have to discuss about they decompose metal. Decompose mean split up or dead to the totally ख़त्म हो जाता है वो metal. Calcium carbonate react with the hydrochloric acid. It will become the calcium chloride, water and carbon dioxide. And then sodium hydrocarbonate with the sulfuric acid, and then it will become the sodium sulfate, water and carbon dioxide. These three reactions are according to the properties of the acid. Next, properties of the bases. Already we know that alkali are those bases which are soluble in water. Just a alkali. All are bases not soluble in water, but alkalis are those bases which are soluble in water. For example, alkalis: sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, springly soluble. Springly means little soluble in water, and while copper hydroxide is insoluble. Underline this because copper hydroxide is not soluble in water, but sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide both are soluble in water, and calcium hydroxide is springly soluble. Keep in mind these three things. All are good soluble NaOH and KOH both are good soluble. CaOH twice is not a good soluble, is a springly mean little bit, but copper oxide is a totally insoluble. So a part of the reaction that we have done already about the neutralization reaction, alkali also react with the ammonia salt and liberate ammonia gas. You will write here there are the two reactions. First there have to discuss about sodium hydroxide with hydrochloric acid, already discussed above. Sodium chloride, it will become and water, and calcium hydroxide react with the sulfuric acid and it will become the calcium sulfate and water, and these are the lubrication of ammonia. You can write here lubrication of ammonia reaction. They can ask separately what reaction on the basis properties are the lubricate of ammonia. So you will write here a lubrication of ammonia. CaOH twice plus NH4Cl, they react to each other, it will become the calcium chloride, water and ammonia. Ammonia are going to a lubricate, so that is why we given them the heading as a lubrication of ammonia. Same they have to sodium hydroxide react with the ammonium nitrate, then we will get the sodium nitrate, water and ammonia. Ammonia is as a lubrication.